Hey everyone, Craig here with CostCertified. Today I want to go over with you a new feature that we recently launched, and that is the ability to send a quote out to multiple people. It's really easy to set up. Let me show you how. When you're in the estimate screen, you're going to either click on the pencil icon or the address details here, and it's going to open up another page. When that page opens, just scroll down until you see the reviewers section, click in it, and enter in the email address. If you need to add in more than one, feel free by just clicking Add Reviewer, and you can add in your second, third, fourth, or fifth, as many as you need reviewers that you want to get the read-only version. Once this is done, click Save Reviewers, and you are now ready to send it out to multiple people. We hope you like this feature, but if you have any questions, please feel free to reach out to any one of our customer success managers, and they will be more than willing to help you. Till next time, happy building.